Oh, no.
Let's go to the bedroom. Yes, yes. Okay, Melody. Oh no, that is my toothbrush. Do not be stingy, Melody. Oh no!
Peekaboo! Yeah!
Wow, there are lots of costumes. You just choose the costume first, Melody. Okay, okay. Which one will I choose? I like pink. Wow! I'm very beautiful. Okay, now it's my turn. I want to choose the red one. Yeehaw! Hi! Hello, Melody and Kitty. Wow, you are so beautiful. Thank you, Melody. Now it's your turn to choose your best costume. Sure, I like purple, but which one should I choose? Whoa, this seems better. Now I'm beautiful too. Why hasn't the cinnamoroll arrived yet? Hello everyone! Wow, you are really beautiful in this costume. I will choose a blue costume. This one or that one. Yay! I like the costume. I'm very beautiful. Okay, friend, let's go to the stage now. Okay, friend, for the first time, let's call Kuromi. Hello, my name is Kuromi. Today I will introduce all my friends. Hello, my name is mymelody. I like baking cookies with my mother. Hello, my name is Cinnamoroll. I am a white puppy with chubby cheeks and long ears. Pretty, you all must know me very well, right? Okay, those are all